Hey everybody, today I wanted to talk about something that all Volkswagen lovers should have at least a slight concept of, or slight understanding of, and it's one of these. The Volkswagen wiring connector. You'll see these running all throughout the car, especially in the engine bay, and basically they can be a bit complicated if you ever end up getting into some sort of wiring repair. I wanted to walk through disassembling one of these real quick, if we can do that real quick, and what most, this will cover most Volkswagen connectors. You're going to have two locking mechanisms. There's a little purple piece in there that you can see that is a locking piece and sort of locks the pins into the back of this plug. Then each wire itself, you'll see when we pull it out, has a small tang on it that locks it in place. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to unlock this connector by just sliding it onto the backside and just sort of popping it over. Okay, so that snapped over just like that. So now it's unlocked. You can actually, if they have a hole in the side, you can pull it all the way through. But sort of like that. But if you try to pull on these wires, they're still not going to come out. But if you look in here, there'll be two small holes. One here on top of the wire, bottom of the wire, top of the wire, bottom of the wire. For that, use one of these paper clip, just sort of bent so you have a straight end. You stick it into the hole, press down, and if you got two holes, you're going to need a second one on the top of the wire. So now we have two right on the outside edge. And take that wire, push it in, and pull it out. And you can see there's two little locks, one here and one here. That's what you were sliding this down inside the connector and unlocking those. And then you can sort of push it forward, pull it back, and it'll pop out. And assembly is the reverse order. You just sort of find the position that would line up straight. Okay. Press it in and you hear it snap, it's locked in. Slide this over and then it's all back together. Alright, thanks guys.